Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps turning on in a Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, check net. After check net, reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset mobile network settings and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off in a Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.